Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the sound and making it available. First, confirm WhatsApp has storage/media permissions so files show up. Then pick a short MP3 or M4A. Under 10 seconds is ideal for notifications. If recording, record at 44. 1 kHz and export as MP3. Once done, place the file in the phone's ringtones or notifications folder so WhatsApp can detect it. Make sure file name is simple and uses letters and numbers only to avoid recognition issues. You now assign the tone inside WhatsApp. Open Settings, tap Notifications, then choose the message type you want to change, individual or group. Tap Notification Tone and WhatsApp shows system tones first. Scroll to the bottom and select Add or Browse to navigate to the Notifications folder where you saved the file. Tap the file to preview. If it plays, select it to set. If you want different tones per chat, open the chat, tap its name, choose Custom Notifications, and repeat the selection. You finish by verifying the change with a test message or the preview button, listening for the correct tone. If you don't hear it, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and app permissions still allow media access. Then confirm the file is in notifications or ringtones and is MP3 or AAC format. If issues persist, restart the app or device, and, if necessary, convert the file to a standard MP3 at 128 kbps. One quick troubleshooting tip: rename the file to letters and numbers only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.